Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Char. So I'm going to make some cookies for my son's co-workers tomorrow, and I thought what fun way to make those monster cookies. So we wanted to try something different. I found a recipe online. I will put the link down below, but what we have here is, say, like a kitchen sink cookie, a everything cookie. Okay, so we've got some Rice Krispies here. We got some chocolate chips, and that is like semi-sweet and dark in there. We've got some Snickers, you guys. We've got some Reese's peanut butter morsels, which I have never tried before, cooked with them. We have the M&Ms, which are these M&Ms here, okay? And these are the Halloween M&Ms, okay? And then we have a little bit of the Reese's peanut butter cups, and that's about a whole pack of one. And I only used one because there's extra candies. I'm using these as well. And then we have some pretzels. All right, so that is the stir-ins. Now the recipe, we have the sugar, the egg, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I did 1 cup of dark brown, 1/4 cup of light brown, 1/4 cup of white sugar. That is, I believe 1 1/4 cup of flour, and that is the salt, which was a 1/2 teaspoon, and that is the baking soda, which was a teaspoon. Okay, and that's there, and I'm going to stir that up. We've got our butter here that we're going to be using, and just the pure vanilla, 1 tablespoon. And we're going to use this whole thing, so that will be equal out to 2 sticks of butter. And she did say she uses salted. And we have some googly eyes I'm going to place on top with extra M&Ms on top. All right, you all. So let's get started. Let me get these things in, the stuff that needs to be creamed first, which is the sugar and the butter. So stay tuned. All right, you all. So in this bowl, we have the sugar and the butter. We're going to cream it. Alrighty, so now that that's creamed together, all right, here is where we add the egg, and now you do 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Add just a drop more, just a drop. Here we go, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now we're going to add the flour. But before we add the flour, I want to go ahead on. This has been sifted flour. We want to make sure that the salt and the baking soda is well incorporated into this, okay? And this has already been sifted flour. All right, now we're going to add it to the mix. That's just fine. We don't want to overmix it too much. So we're just going to go in and just add in the extra flour that we may see lingering on the side of the bowl. As you can see right there, just going to blend that because we don't want to overmix. Go to the bottom, bring it up, and there we go. Now next, we're going to move to the toppings, but you know she's going to clean off them blenders. All right, stay tuned. All right, you all, so I made the mistake and hit record and thought I was recording. So inside we have the Reese's morsels and the peanut butter cup that's already in here, y'all. I'm so sorry. But we have the rest of the candy though. So let's go ahead on and pour in this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, let me stir. Just gonna do a nice little chop stir like that. Bring it around. Just so we can make sure that bottom half has it, and then put the rest of it in. You guys, this is amazing. This is crazy, right, Mama? I've never done a cookie like this. So this is the Snicker going in, y'all. Oh my Lord. This is something special, but it's for a Halloween get together that they're doing this week. And those guys are really, really nice every time I come through. They're very nice to us. So I said, I'm gonna make some of these cookies. I like trying recipes a lot of times just to see how those recipes. Now these are 2 Snickers. I just want to let y'all know. 2 Snickers cut up, roughly cut up. Okay. I'm just gonna make sure that they're evenly being distributed. Now, you know Snickers has that nougat and all that. Trying to get it where they have it in every bite. Okay. All right. So that's that. Oh my goodness. We still have a lot to go. Now we're gonna do the M&Ms. Now this is just going in, y'all. Then there's gonna be some M&Ms that go on top. Okay. So we got the M&Ms here. Gotta make sure that there's some evenly sprinkled. This is fun. I hope these come out delicious. I like the ones with the oatmeal in it. However, I like mine a little gooier. So this is the Rice Krispie treat. She does not add Rice Krispies. I'm adding Rice Krispies, and she did not put the colorful M&Ms. I'm adding the colorful M&Ms. This is fun. And then we got one more item to put in here, y'all, and that is pretzels. Okay, so that is the Rice Krispies. Marshmallows will be going here too, but I just figured it was way too much going in already. Okay, and it's really making the dough big. Okay, so here we go with the pretzels. So it is 1 cup of pretzels. However, I'm not using 1 cup because there's so much going in. I'm only going to be using a half a cup. Okay, and I'm just going to spread it around. So hopefully a bite is distributed. Try to break it up where it's not too much of something on in. All right, y'all, and then we are ready to bake. So we're gonna stop it halfway so we can put the rest of the M&M and the eyes on. And y'all, this is it. That's the dough. All right, so let me get this on a cookie sheet and we'll see how it cooks up. You guys stay tuned. All right, you all, I have my parchment paper here and we're gonna go ahead on, but let's get in here and let's get the scooping. Let you see what that looks like. And then we're gonna go ahead and put that scoop down, just like so. That's the first one and it looks really pretty. Let's go in, here mommy. Let's go in for a second one. And I like to use the sides to help me measure this out. You all, sounds like I got a little bit of everything in there. And that's the next one. Okay, so we got the first row, and we're gonna let them kind of spread. So let's get the second row in there. I'll do a few big ones and then I'll do some smaller ones. How about that? They'll fight over the cookies. Alrighty, so here we go. Last scoop. And that is going into the oven. Alright, you all, so stay tuned. We'll see how these come out. So I wanted to show you, I'm going to freeze these and make these later on this week. So those look really pretty. Now I'm gonna do the rest of them in some small ones and I'll let you see how those look, so stay tuned. They're looking pretty good. So now here's the fun part. We're going to throw in some eyes, okay? These are little monster cookies. Put some eyes in here, googly eyes. Googly eye there, and then we have googly eye there, big eyes and little eyes. Yeah, big eyes and little eyes. All right, and we want to just make sure we press down. That's 3 eyes. That's a real spooky monster. Some of them, yeah, just throw the eyeballs in there, y'all. Just throw the eyeballs in there, and then add extra M&Ms on top. And then we put these back in and let them finish up. Fun, right? Get some orange M&Ms here. Maybe another googly eye there. On the M&Ms. There we go. We got some dropping on the floor. And these are not going to cook much longer. Alright. Okay, you guys. So they're going to go back in and we'll test them out. I like the misshapes because it makes them look like monsters. All right, so stay tuned. All right, you all, so that is the smaller size. Then I'm gonna put these in the freezer. And these are the bigger size. And I will make these later on this week. All right, so let's wait for the cookies. Stay tuned. And the cookies go in for 15 to 17 minutes. My oven's fast, so I did it from 8 to 10 minutes. All right, just want to let y'all know that. All right, you all, so these are the finished cookies. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna pick one up for you so you can see how beautiful that is. And we're gonna turn it over and it's evenly cooked. It is just lovely. It's still warm. So we're gonna come to these because when I picked them up, I kind of broke them a little bit. So we're just gonna, oh my goodness, you guys, look at that cookie. And it's thin, I love that. So mommy went in and we were kind of breaking these up because we wanted to see just how lovely they look. And mommy's gonna give it a taste. Look at that Snicker, y'all. Look at that melted Snicker. And so it is amazing. So these look wonderful. So we're gonna go in. Oh my goodness. You've got to, I'm not too into the eyes, but you guys look at that cookie. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is sinful. You guys. I like that they're thin, they spread it perfectly. Oh my goodness, this is sinful. Mama, you have to taste these. Listen to the crunch. Now, my verdict, these are better than the ones that you put the oatmeal in. Even though the oatmeal are good, these are more moist. There's more, the oatmeal to me can dry up the cookie. Oh my goodness, you guys, the edges are crispy. Wonderful recipe, wonderful recipe. I can't eat too much, but what do you give it, Mom? I give this recipe a 10. This is a different recipe than the oatmeal one. Okay, this does not have oatmeal in it. It does have pretzels, and it has, as you all seen, the Reese's peanut butter cups, the 1-pack. I cut it up, 2 Snickers, and it has the Reese's morsels. It has dark chocolate morsels, semi-sweet chocolate morsels, and the M&Ms, and the googly eyes, and the pretzels. You can taste the salt in there. I think that's what makes it so yummy. And just look at that gooiness. It is really, look at that gooiness on the plate, y'all. And I love the way it rippled. It cooked very good and just even. Mama, go and enjoy that. But yes, so let me show you again. I got, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big ones. These are gonna be added because I'm gonna be finishing up the rest of them. But just look how cute they are, you guys. They're so adorable. Now these I'm going to keep for a Bible study later on this week. And this is a smaller cookie size. So they're not too big, okay? I'm gonna put some saran wrap over that. I just want you guys to see it. So that's 12 of these. That's a dozen in small, all from this cookie mix. So we got 6 of these, and then 12, that's 18. So we got 25 cookies total, y'all. And actually you can get more if you make them smaller. So I went ahead on and made these big because it's fun and this is Halloween. That is everything, you all. I hope you try this cookie. I will put the link down below. Also, the oatmeal one, the oatmeal one is very good. I'm not giving the oatmeal one any bad reviews. I think it's very good. However, to me, this recipe is much more better, and it was not with the oatmeal. And it does have Rice Krispie treats in it. So let's get a closer look at this cookie. Okay, it is amazing. And this is just awesome. So I will put the link down below. This is just a monster cookie, definitely a monster cookie. All right, you all, they are done, and they are so adorable. Oh my goodness. And so what we're gonna do is let them completely cool off, and then we'll give them a taste, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's go in. You guys excuse my nails. So we're gonna go right on in. Oh my goodness, that just looks beautiful. Breaks up nicely. And I'm going to taste one. Let's look at the texture of that cookie. That looks really, really good. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Amazing. It's got a lot going on in there. You got the pretzels.
Yeah.
You got the M&Ms, the chocolate chip. It's a good cookie. The oatmeal. Now, for those of you who don't like oatmeal, don't put it in there. You don't have to put the oatmeal in there if you don't like it. It is like a chocolate chip oatmeal cookie with pretzels, huh? It's really good. Listen to the crunch. And you got the gooey little chocolate in the middle. You guys, it is a good cookie. It's flat. I like that it's flat. It's crispy. It's soft in the middle. If you don't want the oatmeal in, like I said, you don't have to have the oatmeal in it. The oatmeal does give it more of a textury feel. If you don't like that, do not put the oatmeal. Other than that, it's a good oatmeal chocolate chip cookie.
It is.
All right, you all, another fun thing before we close out that you can do with this is take these cookies. Oh, look how nice and chewy they are. And drop that scoop right in the middle. Take another monster, put it on top, and then you have your ice cream sandwich. All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you and you all can come and check me out and see what I'm doing. You all, thank you so much for tuning in. Take care of one another. Be kind to one another. Remember, always trust God, keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.